Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video you will learn how to use GPT-4 in Bing Chat with multimodal feature right now. OpenAI's most awaited multimodal feature for GPT-4, which allows users to upload images and ask related questions, hasn't been released yet. However, Microsoft has taken the lead and provided early access to a similar image upload feature in Bing Chat, where you can interact with GPT-4 model. It operates just like OpenAI's demonstrated during GPT-4 launch. In case you are curious to learn how you can use GPT-4 with multimodal feature in Bing Chat, then here is how you can do that. Open Microsoft Edge browser, then visit bing.com. Here you need to select chat option on the top. This will take you to Bing AI chat mode page. On this page, scroll down and head over to choose a conversation style section and switch to creative mode option. This mode will allow you to chat with GPT-4 multimodal feature for free. In the Ask Me Anything box, you need to click on the Add Image icon. This will open a menu featuring three options: paste image URL, upload from this device, and take a photo. Depending on your choice, select one of these options and upload the image. After the image is uploaded, type your query related to image and wait for Bing AI to answer it. For example, let's upload this image having triangles and ask Bing Chat how many triangles are there and see if it's able to answer it or not. As you can see, it detected the triangles in the image and explained it very well with the number of the triangles. Let's take another example. This time I'm going to upload an image with a rough design of website and ask for CSS and HTML code for the same. You can see that it detected the design of the website in the image and it also sharing CSS and HTML code for it as well. So now we have the final CSS and HTML code. Let's create HTML file and see if this code actually works or not. So I can believe it shockingly did a great job. So for me, this GPT-4 update is killer. Similarly, you can try various other things with Bing Chat powered by GPT-4. So that's all about this video. Let me know your opinion about OpenAI's multimodal feature in the comments. Also, if you find this video useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe the channel for more similar videos. Thanks for watching.